located dun sa new building. The beds, ayan. Our beds, and mommy's figuring out something. Are you figuring out something? Looking for something? So yung bed natin guys, meron tayong dalawang queen size bed. Ayan. One for kids, one for us. And then this is our... Wow! Laki rin ng CR guys. There you go. Okay, let's open it. That's the shower.
And that's the
Sink, and that's you. And then there's the toilet. And then meron tayong parang balcony access and then overlook nung swimming pool. So later on, I'm gonna show you that one too. But for now, this is our room. So meron silang dalawang building. So nandito tayo sa old building. Kung saan tayo nagstay ngayon, they call it new building. According to our stories, pre-Pinatubo days. Wow, grabe. So one of the oldest, but one of the most kept at saka parang maintained hotel dito po. So a lot of foreigners are actually here. Let's find out kung pwede natin silang videos later. But a lot of foreigners are staying here. Siguro like 80%, 70% are mostly foreigners. Alright, so welcome to the pool area. This is the central part ng Clarkton. So if you notice guys, ayun po yung old building natin. And then this one, sa taas natin, yung new building. Dito tayo nag-stay. Now, look at the pool area. Napaka-calm, para sa akin, walang masyadong aesthetic ng fountain and everything. I believe they wanna keep it right, parang little quiet or silent type, mga ganyan. But this one, let me tell you, is actually 2.8 meters deep. So, that is around more than 6 feet. Ayan, so careful lang po tayo dito kung may kasama tayong mga bata. Kami later, mag-swim kami. Medyo dun sa may mababaw na lang. So, also in here, so yung orientation sa amin guys, yung mga rooms po dito sa baba, sila yung talagang best sellers nila kasi from here, they have access sa balcony. Pag lalabas sila, diretso na dito sa pool area. Ayan, so dito rin guys, meron tayong massage at saka like spa. So you can have like facial and massage, nails. Dito rin sila.